Good morning, everybody. My name is Slaven Bilaj. I'm a co-founder, president, and CTO of Agent IQ. Before Agent IQ, I spent 12 years at Google, leading various search and cloud AI initiatives. With me on stage today, I have Soren Bested, our CRO, and Armando Quintana, our VP of Sales. We are focusing on the following problem: how to make banking more personal when customers are no longer visiting branches. And in the demo today, we will show you how we achieve this by enabling personal digital relationships in digital channels, Uberizing the financial institution's workforce, and using scale, using AI to increase scale. In the demo, we'll be using two screens: one mobile screen operated by Armando, representing a customer, and the other screen, desktop screen, representing a banker, operated by Soren. First, we will see the initial onboarding experience on the AIQ Financial app. AIQ Financial is a fictional entity we created for this demo. You can see that Armando sees some introductory screens, accepts terms and conditions, and is prompted to select the banker. And you can see that AIQ Financial encourages their bankers to appeal to their profile, and Armando will select Soren because he is a Taekwondo enthusiast. Now we will see what Soren sees. When Armando selects him as a banker, he receives a browser notification letting him know if he is available, he can immediately engage with Armando. If not, whenever he does become available, he can reach out to Armando and send a message. When imagine Armando was doing something else in the meantime, and when he receives a message from Soren, he will receive a mobile notification which lets him know that message is available, but he will not see the content to preserve the confidentiality. Armando can see the content message and continue the interaction with Soren. Now we will see how Agent IQ platform helps Soren be a better banker. Whenever Armando sends a message, our state-of-the-art AI will analyze the conversation and apply appropriate tags and categories. In this case, buying a home and a mortgage. It will also suggest responses and relevant documents and marketing materials. Soren can easily view these and send them to Armando when necessary. Now, Soren might find that Armando sometimes asking questions that he's not most suitable to answer. At this time, the two can do what they would do in the branch. They can invite the subject matter expert to help them. This can be done using a convenient UI, as you can see. When subject matter expert joins the conversation, he's immediately brought up with all the context, and Armando is notified that a new person has joined the conversation. Okay. You can see here that the subject matter expert does not have to be in the same location, and this opens up a lot of possibilities. At the end of the interaction, it's often necessary to collect some information from the customer. If your bankers prefer to do this manually, they can certainly do so. But with the Agent IQ platform, Soren is able to kick off this mundane task to his virtual assistant, using a simple keyboard shortcuts, as you can see on the UI. On the mobile phone, you can see that interaction is optimized by use of buttons and free text. And when virtual assistant has collected all the information, it can pass control back to Soren. This speeds up the process for both the customer and the banker, and make sure that all the relevant questions and data are collected. Okay? Now we will show you the admin interface. And while Soren is logging as an admin, I would like to summarize what we saw so far. So the customer is getting benefit of a branch in the pocket. They can reach out to their banker from anywhere, and they can always talk to the same person. The banker is getting the ability to service customers beyond branch walls and can use low traffic time at the branch to proactively engage. all throughout, being helped by AI to make him smarter and faster. OK, so Soren is now logged in. And we wanted to show you, we have all the basic reports and analytics that you would expect from a platform like this. But one report that our partners are particularly excited is the ability to analyze and visualize key things that customers mention, what we refer to as topics. By looking at topics, financial institutions can better understand customer needs and can decide when to reach out to their customers, and they can refine their messaging. So to conclude, a recent survey has showed that 80% of the customers prefer to bank with financial institutions that provide personalized services. In the demo today, we showed you how you can provide personalized services through digital channels. With Agent IQ platform, banks can engage with customers the way customers are used to engaging with their family, friends, and colleagues. And the bankers are getting the benefit of serving customers beyond branch roles. We are Agent IQ, and we want to put a branch in every pocket. To learn more, please come to our booth, and thank you, everybody.